So I do feel like part of my job here is to teach you how to do it by hand, but always to teach you the most efficient approach first and foremost. So let's start with Desmos. Definitely going to be the easiest approach. Let's go to the gear icon, delete anything else that might be there. And we're just going to type this in. Now, a good thing to know is if the equation is y equals, you don't have to type the y equals. So that could save you a little bit of time. We'll press enter. Of course, if it's anything other than y equals, which the second equation definitely is something other than that, we'll type everything in. And we're just trying to find the point of intersection. I could press this right here and it exports it over to this third line. But the important thing is they just want to find the value of x in the ordered pair. And that's clearly 5, making the correct answer B. So very fast, very efficient. But if you are curious how to do it by hand, let's go ahead and look at page 33, more specifically side 2, where we talk about substitution versus elimination for solving a system of equations. Now notice substitution is convenient when either a variable is already by itself or it can easily be isolated. In other words, if a coefficient is 1 or -1. And we currently do have that right here. So notice in that top equation, y is already isolated. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the fact that y is equal to x minus 2, and in the other equation, wherever there's a y, we're going to replace it with x minus 2. Now you have one equation, one unknown, instead of two equations, two unknowns. And then we'll go ahead and distribute the 5. So we have 3x plus 5x minus 10. And then we combine like terms, getting x's, 8x, minus 10 is 30. Let's get x's to one side, numbers to the other, which means now we have to move the 10 over. And this was by no means hard, but why use more mental energy and then also potentially open myself up to an error instead of getting the answer right way more efficiently and way more easily. So we get our correct answer is B.